What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Heyday chicken. Let's get started at the top of our page with the eye. So we're going to draw a circle, starting from the very top. Just going to work our way around to the bottom and pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to tuck the beak in behind the eye. So starting on the right side, we're going to curve across and then down towards the tip of the beak. Now we're just going to pull this down and then up underneath the eye. Come down and just pull that up. Let's separate the top and bottom of the beak. So we start on the left side, we're going to curve up and then down towards the tip of the beak. Now we want to draw a smaller circle in behind the left eye and the beak. So we start up here, we're going to curve around, down, and then in behind the beak. Now let's draw in the pupils. From the center of this eye, we're going to move over towards the left and draw in a small circle. Now at the top of the circle, we'll draw an even smaller circle for our highlight and then fill the bottom half in black. Now from the center of the right eye, we're going to move up and out towards the right, draw in another circle, add a small circle along the top for the highlight, and then fill the bottom half in black. Now we're going to draw that thing that hangs underneath the beak, which is called the wattle. So over on the left side, we're going to start by curving down and out towards the left, move over towards the right, curve down and out towards the right. Now we just want to connect these 2 points with a curve, almost like a circle, curving around to the bottom and then back up on the right side. Let's move up to the top and draw in the comb. So we start on top of the right eye, curve over towards the left and then back out. You want to round this out, just blend into a curve going back around towards the left. We want to round out the end, come down, and then out towards the left on top of the left eye. Let's draw another one. We're going to point this up towards the left. Round out the bottom, go up. We're going to round out the top, come down, and then in. Now we're going to come back down in towards the left eye, round this out, and then go out. Then we'll add the last one. Just going to round up the end, come down, and then pull that in. I just want to tuck this in behind the left eye, curving in and then down. From the bottom of the left eye, we're going to draw on the back of the neck. So we're going to start out here, we're going to curve down and then out. Let's round out the back. From here, we're going to curve out and then down towards the base of the tail. Now we're going to add 3 large feathers for the tail. From this point, we're going to step up, we're going to curve out, round out the tip, and then come back in. Let's do another one. Starting down here, we're going to curve up and out, round out the tip, and then pull that back in. And we'll do that one more time. From here, we're going to curve out, round out the feather. I'm just going to pull that into right about here. Now we want to overlap the wing on top of the body. So just underneath the back, we started here, we're going to follow the same curve of the back coming out. We're just going to pull that down to right about there. Let's add a point. We're going to angle up and in, angle back down and out. And then we're going to round out the front of the wing. Starting here, we're going to curve out towards the right. We're going to round out the front. Now we're just going to aim up towards the top of the wing. We're going to stop right about there. Then we're going to close off the back. Starting from the base of the feather, we curve down and in behind the wing. Let's move to the front of the wing and draw on the left thigh. So starting down here, we're going to curve down and we're going to pull that up, almost like drawing a half oval. Now the front of the neck and the body is going to get tucked in behind this thigh. So we start underneath the wattle, we're going to angle out towards the right, round out the body, and we're just going to pull that in underneath the thigh. And then we'll tuck the right thigh in underneath the body. So leaving a gap, we'll start out here, curve down, and then up. Let's move back to the left side and draw on the leg. We'll start at the bottom center of the thigh and draw 2 straight lines coming down. And then from the ends, we're going to angle down and out towards the left, and then the right. Let's round out the toes. We'll round this out and pull this back in. Now I'm just going to come up towards the middle, leaving a gap. Then we're going to draw the center toe. From the inside line, we'll draw two short lines coming down. And we'll close this off with a curve. Now let's move over towards the right. We're going to start with the back of the leg first. Starting at the bottom of the thigh, curve down and out towards the left. Let's round out the heel. Now we're going to curve over and down towards the first toe. And we'll round out the first toe. I'm just going to follow that same curve, coming up and then in. Let's draw in the second toe. About halfway along this curve, we go out and down. Round out the toe. I'm just going to pull that back in. And then the third toe, we're just going to start up here, curve around, and then just pull that back in towards the ankle. And then from the ankle, just going to pull this straight up underneath the thigh. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the Heyday Chicken. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.